Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but browser on your tablet doesn't work. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Chrome, and here if we try to reach any website, there's a problem. You can go basically for any website. Some of them might load, but if you try to interact, they won't, so yeah. Now to fix this, we'll need to open our settings, then find the system at the bottom, click on it and select date and time. Here activate set time automatically, and we can go back to our browser, refresh the page, and as you can see it works fine now. The same with the Facebook, works great. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.